Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on upgrading your Dell P60F by changing the hard drive and memory. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. First, power down your device and unplug it from any power source. This ensures your safety while working on the hardware. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of your Dell P60F. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Be sure to keep track of which screws belong where to make reassembly easier. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel. This is where the anti-static wrist strap comes into play. Attach it to your wrist and a grounded surface to prevent any static damage to the components. With the back panel removed, you will see the hard drive and memory slots. Start by locating the hard drive. It is typically secured with additional screws. Use your screwdriver to remove these screws, then carefully disconnect any cables connected to the hard drive. If you're unsure about the disconnection process, refer to your device's manual for guidance. Now, if you don't have the right tools or feel unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with this upgrade at your convenience. Next, slide out the old hard drive and replace it with the new one. Make sure it fits securely in place and reconnect the cables you previously removed. Tighten any screws you had to take out to secure the new hard drive. Moving on to the memory upgrade, locate the memory slots next to the hard drive. If you see clips holding the current memory modules in place, gently push them apart to release the old modules. Insert the new memory sticks at an angle, ensuring they are aligned properly with the slots, and press down firmly until you hear a click. Once the new memory is secured, it's time to put the back panel back on. Align it carefully and replace all the screws you removed earlier. If you need assistance with this process, don't forget, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free for you. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution for your tech needs. After everything is securely back in place, plug in your device and power it on. Check to ensure that the new hard drive and memory are recognized by your system. You can do this by visiting the system settings or using a system information tool. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your Dell P60F. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. Thank you for following along with this upgrade tutorial. Enjoy your enhanced Dell P60F. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.